Hey, I'm trying some new settings out here on this one. This is Kreuzungsring or something like that right there. Germany heavy ring. Alright. Marlena on the radio. Live on kick.com/JSwine nearly 24/7. Completely beating my ghost big time over there. YouTube looks like it's stuck, but I don't want to alt tab and pause the gameplay to turn it back on, so whichever the right answer is, that's what I'm going to do right there. Race is coming to a close over here. Oh man. New video when they are queued up at midnight, East Coast time, United States. It's always midnight right there. Alright, how much should I beat my ghost by? Look at that. Actually, I think that was about a quarter of a second faster than the last time. At least on the last, on reverse, that was forward right there. Cruiser. I don't know how to speak German. Okay. All right. Anyway, all right. Thanks for listening. I beat my ghost by 58 seconds right there. All right. Cool. Upload the number. Take care. Leave a comment. Put a like. Put a dislike. Take care and have a good one. Catch you next time. Bye.